Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Audi of Burlington, we have the 2021 Audi Q7 55. Powered by the 3-liter V6. This thing is just absolutely awesome. Oh. There we go. Pretty cool. Total price is $66,620. Glacier white over black. Not a bad spec at all. 3-liter V6, 8-speed Tiptronic. There is your 3D surroundings. That's just cool. Gonna be driving it in dynamic mode because it's fun. Q7 is Audi's full-size SUV. Although it's not the highest number. That honor goes to the Q8, which is like a Q7 coupe. Plenty of torque, plenty of power. It's honestly really impressive. This competes with the X7 from BMW, of course. I'm not sure if you can get an SQ7. I know you can get an S and an RSQ8. Not sure about an SQ7. That would compete with the X7. If there was an RSQ7, that would compete with the Alpina BX7. This is a really, really nice car. SUV. Eight-speed torque converter automatic. Does its job really, really well. I love all the materials in here too. This is all soft touch. It's just nice. you know, when you're paying 66, actually that's a pretty impressive price. I thought it was going to be in the 70s or 80s, but for $66,000, it's pretty impressive. Man, this thing is awesome. It is really, really nice. You do have paddles behind the wheel. I'll go ahead and try them just to say that I did. Man, Burlington Mall is making some upgrades. I haven't been here in years. Nice. Oh yeah, and it's got the quadruple visors. Sorry, I just absolutely nailed you guys. Tons of legroom, tons of space too in here. I don't feel claustrophobic. On the other hand, it's also not, you know, everything's not 5 miles away from you. So all the controls that you'll need are all right there. I do love where Audi puts their blind spot indicators, because when you're just driving, normally you can't see the little yellow dot in the mirrors, whereas this one, it shines right into your eyes. Basically, it's pointed at your eyeballs. I mean, it's gonna be hard to miss. I do love how they have the two screens that are the exact same quality. Infinity, they've stepped it up a little bit, but they're two different qualities. So on this one, it's the exact same quality. It's the same type of screen. They respond the exact same way. It's just overall very impressive. Oh, come on. Please. Do like the digital gauge display. You can change your views. I'll use that. That's pretty cool. You hear that sound, you don't even have to look, you know it's a VQ. It's not a good sound. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.